Hello, today's quick tip is about using the quick edit on the post or pages screen. Let me go to posts first. And here we see that when you hover over a post, it says edit, quick edit, trash and view. Now, the quick edit is pretty useful. I use it a lot. And you can change several things here without having to open the entire post in another window. So here we can change the title and the slug, which is one of the most important things that you can change. And since it's a post, you can also change the categories or the tags. And you can even change the default template, allow comments, or change the status to publish pending review or draft. And you can even make the post sticky. Those things are something you might have many times where you just want to change the title and the slug in order to organize better your information, and this is going to be super helpful. And another thing I wanted to tell you before you go was the bulk actions for editing. If you choose all of these posts and click here on edit, you can edit the entire batch of posts and just change their category and change certain things like the author, the template, the comments to allow or not allow, and the status of the. And you see here you have more options than just the ones that we were shown before. You have the private one and pending review, the pings and the sticky post. Although I don't know how useful it would be to put all posts as sticky posts. That's just not something that I would like. And that's it for the quick tip of the day.